Imagine this. The ground beneath your feet is breathing, not shaking, not erupting, just breathing, softly, silently, for years. Now imagine this. What if I told you that over 86,000 earthquakes have happened under Yellowstone and no one heard them? Not until now. Not until artificial intelligence stepped in. No explosions, no lava, no headlines, just silence and a pulse. But here is a twist. Silence can sometimes scream the loudest. I'm Chalaim Bey. You might think of me as a scientist. I prefer seer of patterns. And today, I'm going to drag you into the gut of the earth, into Yellowstone, into a secret that has been whispering for years, a secret only machines could hear. Let's begin. Yellowstone, to most people, it's just a national park. Geysers, bears, tourists wearing socks with sandals. But to those of us who understand its true nature, Yellowstone is a time bomb. Underneath those tranquil forests lie a supervolcano, a sleeping giant with the power to rewrite history. Not just make history, mind you, deleted eruptions. Yes, the last one, 640,000 years ago, covered half of North America in ash. And here is the thing, the Earth doesn't keep promises. No countdown clock, no schedule, just pressure, waiting to snap. But what if it's not waiting? What if it's humming? In 2019, geographers at Stanford University decided to do something reckless. They handed the keys of Yellowstone's seismic data to an artificial intelligence. Not a cute assistant, not a chatbot. A deep learning neural network trained not to see, but to listen. And what it heard wasn't just data. It was a heartbeat. Over 86,000 earthquakes, most of them microquakes. Too quiet, too quick, too faint for any human system to notice. Like whispering in the dark, like ants marching beneath a cathedral. Why does that matter? Because earthquakes don't lie. They are the symptoms of what? That's the question. AI doesn't get bored. It doesn't blink. It combined through 2008 data and underneath a seismic swarm beneath Yellowstone's western edge. It didn't just count more quakes. It resembled their sequence. Patterns, timelines, waves. What looked like randomness before now resembled geography. The earth wasn't just shaking. It was talking. And AI finally spoke its language. Imagine finding a diary that no one could read for centuries. Then suddenly, one day, the ink starts to glow and every page begins to scream at once. That's what happened under Yellowstone. Now here is the punch to the brainstem. Why did no one notice this earlier? Simple human limitations. Traditional earthquake detection relies on templates, predefined shapes, signals we expect to hear. But nature doesn't care about our expectations. It creates chaos, not templates. AI doesn't rely on templates. It learned from raw vibration, from chaos, from noise. And what it found redefines how we understand the planet's quiet zones. Because what if there are